everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Pendlikal and my name is Akshara Pendlikal. Today we are going to discuss about eclipses. An eclipse is an astronomical event that occurs when an astronomical object is temporarily absorbed by passing into the shadow of another body. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth and revolves around Earth. Sometimes the sun, the Earth and the moon comes in a straight line. In such situations we observe solar or lunar eclipse. Why moon and sun appear same size when looking from Earth? The sun's distance from Earth is about 400 times the moon's distance, and the sun's diameter is about 400 times the moon's diameter. Because these ratios are approximately the same, the sun and the moon as seen from Earth appear to be approximately the same size. Why do the size of the full moon changes slightly every month? The moon's orbit around the sun is like a circle. Is it not like a circle? It's actually elliptical. If the full moon occurs at or near perigee, it appears noticeably large in the sky than if it occurs at apogee. There are two types of eclipses, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when a portion of the earth is engulfed in a shadow cast by the moon which fully or partially blocks sunlight. This occurs when sun, moon and earth are aligned. Such alignment coincides with a new moon. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves into the earth's shadow. This can occur only when the sun, earth and moon are exactly or very closely aligned with earth between the other two and only on the night of a full moon. Solar eclipse. The shadow of moon consists of a darker part called umbra and the lighter part called penumbra. What are the what are the types What are the types of solar eclipse? There are three types of solar eclipses: total solar eclipse, annular solar eclipse, and partial solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse occurs when sun covered by the moon completely. Annular solar eclipse occurs when the sun and moon are exactly in line with the earth, but the apparent size of the moon is smaller than the sun. Hence, the sun appears as a very bright ring. Partial solar eclipse occurs when the sun and moon are not exactly in line with the earth and the moon only partially obscures the sun. Lunar eclipse. During a lunar eclipse, earth gets in the way of the sun's light hitting the moon. That means that during the night, a full moon fades away as earth shadow covers it up. Why moon appear orange red during total lunar eclipse? The moon look reddish during total lunar eclipse because Earth's atmosphere absorbs the other colors while it bends some sunlight toward the moon. Sunlight bending through the atmosphere and absorbing other colors is also absorbed during sunsets. Moon goes Moon goes around Earth every month. Why we won't see eclipse every month? The moon's path around Earth is tilted compared to Earth's orbit around the sun. The moon can be behind the Earth but still get hit by light from the sun. What are the important discoveries from eclipse events? Discovery of helium in 1868 while observing a total solar eclipse whose path passed over Guntur in India. The French astronomer Pierre Jassin observed a bright yellow line in the spectrum of a hot ionized gas that extends into the corona. This leads to discovery of new element named helium from the Greek word for sun. Helium was not discovered on Earth until 1895. Helium is lighter than air, so used for decorative balloons and airships. Also used in involves cooling the superconducting magnets in medical MRI scanners. Second one, study of corona, outer atmospheric layer of the sun. When the moon eclipses the sun, the solar corona becomes visible. The corona is faint compared to the sun, so it can only be seen when the sun is blocked from view. Solar eclipse help to study sun's magnetic fields and outer part of sun corona. Third one, to calculate size of moon and sun. Greek astronomer Aristarchus used lunar eclipses and geometry to measure the size of moon, then used solar eclipses to extrapolate the size of the sun. Fourth one, total solar eclipse helped experimental proof on Einstein theory of relativity. 1919 solar eclipse in Brazil proved the warping of space-time by the sun's mass. Astronomer Arthur Eddington compared images of the stars taken during the eclipse with images of the same stars taken month later when they appeared in their normal places at night. He observed slight shift in star positions. This proved bending of light due to gravity. Eclipse mystery still unsolved. Alice effect on Foucault pendulum exhibited peculiar movements at the time of a solar eclipse. Further study of on this behavior during eclipse did not give consistent results. Scientists still not got answer for this behavior. What are the upcoming lunar and solar eclipses? Penumbral lunar eclipse will occur on November 29 to November 30 and will be visible from Europe, much of Asia, Australia, North America, South America, Pacific, Atlantic, and the Arctic. Next solar eclipse will happen on December 14, 2020. Thank you.